Israelites, the world is not our destination. The world is just a place we are going through. So we need to have that King's Highway mentality while we are sojourning here on earth. The Bible says that we are citizens of heaven. When I read the book of Philippians, the Bible says that our citizenship is of heaven. That means you and I, we are not citizens of this world. Today you hear people saying, I'm a United States citizen, I'm a Ghanaian citizen, I'm a citizen of Netherlands. That is for this body, but eternity, our bodies will rot in the ground. Our spirit man will journey on to eternity. So our journey is actually not going to end here. Our journey is going to continue to eternity. But while we are going through this earth, which is like a place that we are passing through, like the great Jim Reeves wrote and said, this world is not my home. I know many of you remember that song. This world is not my home. I'm just a passing through. My treasures are laid down somewhere beyond the blue. Yes, our treasures are laid down somewhere beyond the blue. That means somewhere beyond the sky. He's describing heaven. That our treasures are not here on earth. So while we are here on earth, while we are going through this earth, we must use the King's Highway.